In this video, I want to tell you how to insert an image in a long text section using the Wrap Text feature in Adobe Illustrator. In this project, I have created a gray background and a logo image. First step, use the Type tool. Create a column by holding the left click, and then specify the desired area. Automatically, the column will display the default text. For the text content, I have copied the topic of Borobudur Temple from Wikipedia. So I only need to change the default text display to the text that I have prepared. If it has been changed, select all the text and set all the text parts. In Property Text, I change the text size, color, and spacing between letters. Move the image layer above the text layer. Because the image I inserted is a PNG file, so I need to create a circle shape with the same size as the image. I do that so that the distance between the text and the image can be optimized. You can also use the Wrap Text feature even without creating a shape. Here I will select the image layer and circle layer and combine them into a group. The next step, go to Object in the menu, Text Wrap, and select Make. To set the distance between the image and text, go to Object again, Text Wrap, and select Text Wrap Options, then specify the distance through the Offset section. Because there are some sentences that are cut off, so I reset the text size. And I also changed the paragraph section to align center. And now, when we move the image, the text part will adjust automatically. And the result will be like this. Thank you for watching, and see you in another tutorial.